I just wanted to give you a quick review and demonstration of this really impressive handrail system. It's all aluminum, made from 6063 aluminum. It is a durable AAMA 2404 outdoor powder coating texture, which is super durable. It's UV resistant. It's got a matte finish, so it reduces the appearance of scratches. It holds up really well. It's corrosion resistant, fade resistant, and it's designed to keep the maintenance cost of the hand railing super low. So it comes with everything you need for installation. These are all the upright posts that go into these slotted holes, which make the installation super easy. It's made from aluminum, so cutting the handrail itself is way easier than cutting a steel handrail. It's lightweight, and the ingenious slotted design with these posts make sure everything goes together and there's no wobble to it. You can see the baluster post has a 10 millimeter thick base. You can see the quality welding that goes into it. There is dust caps for the top of the post, keeping water out, as well as decorative caps on the bottom to hide the hardware where it attaches to the cement or wood, however you install it. These are the angle brackets that attach to the post and then to the next post or the wall, however you need to. You can trim this for length if you need to. There's also a support leg in the middle here with hardware, so it supports the long length of the whole handrail, as well as coming with all of your hardware and anchors, depending on if it's a cement install or a wood one. It comes with stainless steel lag bolts and washers. So everything's included. The installation's super easy. Let me just show you how quickly it goes. So we'll lay this bracket down here so it doesn't get scratched up during installation. This railing works well because the spacing of the uprights is less than 4 inches apart. It works well for children, and it also meets the 36-inch height requirement for railings. So they're very easy to assemble and put together. The self-tapping screws make installing the brackets and the railing to the post super easy. The hardware is all good in quality. The aluminum's lightweight. The powder coating is really, really nice. I think it's going to hold up for a good long time, and I am all in all very impressed. This company also makes several different types of handrails and sizes, so you can custom make your handrail and railings to fit just about any type of deck or stairs. So it's super easy to install. Great materials, and again, it's easier to work with because of the aluminum. It's lighter, it's easier to cut, and these brackets allow you to adjust the angle from 28 degrees. The combination of these brackets and the slots built into the railing itself allow you to adjust the angle of this from 28 to 45 degrees. So even the do-it-yourselfer can get a quality finished product. I would definitely recommend this handrail. It's easy to install and made from great quality materials. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you found this review helpful.